accident.
I wasn't scared.
Huh?
I wasn't scared of the bee.
Yes, you are, you liar.
I was just getting away. I was trying to be something. So if I thought if I ran, just follow.
Are you filming?
All of a sudden my vision became so clear. Everything I needed was right here before me. So pressed to let you know just how you make me feel. Never had a feeling that's so real. Control me. That's the end. That's the end. Stop it, Megan. Megan, stop.
By the way, your bike. The end.
And you too. You guys are litterers. Litterers.
Well, you look like poop.
Tell me I look like poop again.
Huh?
Tell me I look like poop again. Say it. I dare you to. Say
You
it.
look like poop? Oh!
Will you stop it? I feel like I'm gonna be this. I'm gonna see this video on the internet.
On YouTube and MySpace.
They're gonna be like, oh, what's
Curtis is so
sexy?
sexy.
A sexy Curtis Williams.
Curtis, why don't you ever make it sexy?
I kind of do, so I can just watch it over and
Oh. And you can learn from your mistakes, right? Are you ringing? Curtis, you have no friends anyway.
Okay, I'll put you back your bike.
Hey, Patrick!
Anthony was in that car too. He didn't say hi.
Oh, shit, bitch! Are they coming over here? Because I'm still filming. Big. Oh, shit. That's good. Hey, Anthony! I love you.
We're gonna go to Washington to play some basketball in the mall.
Anthony, I love you. Come on, don't do this to me. Patrick, I love you too. Anthony, I'm trying to apologize
you wanna
to
play
you.
with us?
You're a way better singer than Curtis will ever be. I
I
swear.
hate you. I've never talked to you again. Where else
I'm filming.
Yeah, and we're gonna go to the mall and stuff.
Anthony, I love you.
All right.